Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw Twlight Sparkle for My Little Pony together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the outline of the mane with a curve, another curved line, an inverted V-shaped line, a diagonal line, and a curved line. Draw the horn with a curved line and an inverted U-shaped line. Continue the main trace with a curved line and a diagonal. Draw an inverted U-shaped line for the ear, a curved line, and a curve inside it. Draw the face outline with a curve, a small semicircle for the nose, a curved line for the mouth, then draw a curved line for the bottom of the head. Draw the first eye with a curved line, then draw the second eye with a curved line and a semicircle. Now draw the eyes in a pod and the eyelashes like I do. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the mane on the neck with a curved line, a diagonal line, and another curved line. Draw a wavy line for the neck and continue the mane with a U-shaped line and a curved line. Draw the first front paw with a diagonal line, a curved line, a V-shaped line, an inverted U-shaped line, and a curved line. Draw the second front paw with a vertical line, a U-shaped line, and a curved line. Draw the wing with a wavy line. Draw 6 U-shaped lines. Then draw a diagonal line and 3 U-shaped lines inside it. Draw a curved line for the back of the body, then draw the back leg with a horizontal line, a curved line, a V-shaped line, a curved line, and another curved line. Draw a curved line for the belly. Draw the other hind leg with a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, and an inverted V-shaped line. Now draw the tail with a semicircle, a wavy line, and a semicircle. Draw 5 semicircles inside it. Draw 3 curved lines inside the mane on the head and neck. Draw some curved lines inside the mane and 2 inside the horn. Follow me as I draw them. Draw stars on the thigh. Wow! Wow! Our friend turned out great! Good job! Now let's set the colors. Use black for the pupils. Use pink for the stripes on the mane, tail, mouth, and the star on the thigh. Use purple for the iris of the eyes and for the second stripe of the mane and tail. Use blue for the other parts of the mane and tail. And use a light purple for the head, wings, body, and legs. Excellent! Our friend Twlight Sparkle is ready for a new adventure with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!